How to edit in Wondershare Filmora 13. Editing in Wondershare Filmora. General steps. Import media. Open Filmora and start a new project. Import your video, audio, and image files by clicking on Import or dragging them into the media library. Add media to timeline. Drag the files from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange them in the sequence you desire. Basic editing. Trimming. Click on a clip in the timeline and use the handles at its edges to trim its duration. Splitting. Use the scissor icon or a shortcut to split a clip into separate parts. Removing/deleting. Select a clip and press the delete key to remove it from the timeline. Transitions. Access the Transitions tab. Choose a transition effect and drag it between two clips on the timeline to apply it. Applying effects. Explore the Effects tab. Select an effect and drag it onto a clip in the timeline. Text or titles. Go to the Titles tab. Choose a title style and drag it to the timeline above the clip where you want it to appear. Double-click on the title clip in the timeline to edit text, font, color, etc. Adding music or audio. Access the Audio tab. Drag the audio file to the timeline's audio track. Adjusting audio. Click on the audio clip in the timeline to reveal audio settings. Adjust volume levels, apply fade in/out effects, or remove background noise using the available tools. Preview and export. Use the playback controls to preview your video. Once satisfied, click on Export or Create to choose the output settings, format, resolution, quality, etc., and export your edited video.